In just 5 days, residents of California City will get one last chance to vote on a tax that would fund its fire and police departments. A last-ditch effort to prevent what some say is a nightmare scenario. 17's Danny Freeman spent the day in California City and joins us now to explain. Danny?
Tammy, according to government officials, the nightmare scenario for California City is this. If residents don't approve a parcel tax of up to $182 a year, the city's public safety infrastructure will all but collapse. That could even lead to the disincorporation of Cal City. Inside California City's City Hall, a sign says it all. Save our city.
Something very dramatic should come out of this.
To catch you up, since the 70s, Cal City landowners have paid an $150 or so parcel tax on each property they own, in addition to standard property taxes. But twice in the last year, voters have refused to renew that tax.
We've been doing this over and over again and expecting a different result. And that's a definition, that everybody knows what that means.
City Manager Bob Stockwell explains if voters don't approve a new parcel tax scheduled to be on the ballot this Tuesday, the city will basically begin to shut down. All
of the parks would be closed. The swimming pool, which we opened, would be closed. The golf course wouldn't exist. I mean, literally every optional type service would be cut probably entirely, and then whatever remained would be used to fund as much as we could police and fire.
But Police Chief Eric Hurtado told us the threat of losing the tax already has knocked the department down to 10 officers.
Instead of being able to dedicate enough time to solve some of these crimes, they're out trying to prevent more crimes from happening.
And if Tuesday's initiative known as Measure C fails,
we may go down to chief of police and 3 officers, and that's impossible.
Cal City Fire would be hit hard as well.
It could drop to as low as 2 persons per shift, which is an unsafe, ineffective, impractical, reduced level of service for the people that depend on us.
Then you start making tough decisions like, can the city continue to exist as an incorporated city?
Is that the nightmare scenario?
That is, totally.
Now, the city manager estimates 1,200 of these ballots have already been cast, and all of the votes will be counted publicly at the California City Hall Tuesday. The measure needs 2/3 of the vote to pass. Danny Freeman, 17 News.